So I was actually looking at some of the models from OpenCode, and if you check the Zen section of their documentation, you will find some free models that gets released every week or month. I already reviewed Pickle, then Minimax, Ring, Nemotron, right? These are the free models. So DeepSeek seems to be the new one that is added, right? It is available in Flash variant and it is free for time being, right? So to use that, basically you just have to open the command prompt. I assume you have OpenCode installed. So if you type in OpenCode, it will open the interface, and let's take a look at this particular model and then give it some tasks to finish so that we can understand how much good it is. So if you check its paper on Hugging Face, you will notice all the details and the benchmark against which it is performing, right? So you can see it can do code and math, right? So we can use it, and also its knowledge and current benchmark details, right? So let me check the open code. Currently there seems to be some error. Now after fixing that, notice the open code in terminal. So I will type in models so that I can access some of these models. So here you can see Big Pickle is free, Gemma 4, and then DeepSeek Flash, right? These are from Olama. So we will take a look at the Zen version. So DeepSeek V4 Flash free. So we'll use this particular model. We will go with the default and not tamper with any reasoning defaults, right? There is low, medium, and high that is being set up, right? So I'm currently inside one of the blockchain project that checks the block rewards, specifically Ethereum. So I will ask this particular DeepSeek model to read the project folder and understand it, and then come up with a documentation built using Astro with theme. We can even give it a theme, right? So I can go and check the themes. Here you can see there is a gate theme. So we will go and check the gate theme, right? I can even give URL if required, right? So here you can see project folder and briefly understand the working of project and understand the rest so that you can document. So you can document, right? So I explained that read the project folder, understand the working of project, and understand the rest so you can document and then come up with a documentation built using Astro with the theme gate, right? So once you run this particular prompt, it will think and quickly jot down the whole project narrative and then come up with the to-dos. It will then execute one after another, and as you can see it has created the documentation directory. Next it will add its files, right? So it is using Astro, and now I want to see if it is currently using the gate theme, so that our documentation should look like this live demo. As you can see, it should look like this, and considering it looks pretty decent for the type of project we have in blockchain space. So clarity and no dark mode here, which is fine. There is option 2, right? So everything looks decent. Now if we go in here, notice that it has worked on the project for now. keep scrolling to the bottom. Okay, so it is building the pages, and you can see it is currently in the pages part. Finally, once done, it will scroll to the bottom and give us the idea, right? So we have to keep going here. The final part is here, verify the site builds successfully. So it has reached to the part where we are supposed to go to the docs directory, right? So in that particular folder, you can see this is the docs directory, right? So I will create another instance of terminal or command prompt or even PowerShell, you can say, and then I will be doing npm install and run, right? So here you can see it will currently working. This is where it is right now. So package JSON is here, and what we can do is we can basically, new tab is open, and here we can run that particular command, right? So we can copy this if it's not already. So we will wait till it does from its own side, right? So once this is done, you can see that it has installed the required packages, so it should be inside here, right? So node modules, you can see that means the packages are being set up. We can also see the telemetry is by default there to collect the stats, so we have to disable it by typing astro telemetry disable, right? And after that it will come up with a server, so we have to wait and check till it finishes. Currently the passing error is what stops the show. As you can see, it has fixed with all the respective pages generated. Now the output will be verified along with the directory. So it has finished it. So if I open the new tab and if I type in cd docs, and after that npm run dev, because it already did the npm install part for us, so it should open this particular port 4321. I would be able to see the documentation. Unfortunately, I can't view the non dark mode, so there should be light mode along with it, but yeah, we can rewrite that. So here you see the block reward project is being explained in brief, and you can see it also tells you about the alchemy API reference that is being used, right? So you can check the component, project structure, usage guide, and setup and installation. So it explains the project as well as gives you an idea how to set things up. Now here you can see Astro has added the menu. I'm not sure it is even required, so we can remove that part. Then there is inspect, audit, and settings. If you check the audit, so no issues on that part. Settings, you can see, are being displayed, right? So we use DeepSeek to basically build this project, and we managed to do this in 6 or so minutes. So you can see DeepSeek V4 Flash seems to be pretty decent for coding